Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you what I'm doing real quick. I seem to have gotten the funk and I can't believe it's taken this long. The kids have been coughing in my face and well, I finally seem to have it. So I'm gonna make a couple of capsules for myself. I've got oregano vitality, lemon vitality, thieves vitality, and then I've got my avocado oil. Excuse me. So I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. I probably should have opened my bottles, but I'm gonna do 2 drops of each and put them in my capsule, and then I'm gonna top it off with my carrier oil. I'm gonna do one real quick so I can show you why I use the bread. First of all, it's because it'll hold it. Secondly, if I drip, it's not gonna get on my counter. So I'm gonna find my, there's one. I'm gonna do 2 of the thieves, and then I'm gonna do 2 drops of oregano, just turning until it comes out. If this is your first time trying these, I would do 1 drop of each just to start. Oops, see, my little drop got on there. And then I'm gonna fill it up with my carrier oil. I've got these little disposable pipettes, so sorry about the shadow. I'm just gonna fill it up, and then here's my cap, and I'm gonna put it on there until it snaps, and then I'm gonna give it a little shake. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna wash it down with my emergency, my vitamin C, because I don't have time for this. And then I'm gonna do another one and take 2 of these this morning, and then I'm gonna take 2 more in the afternoon, and then 2 more before I go to bed. And hopefully the combination of these awesome oils will knock out, will help my immune system. So that's what I'm doing today. Take care, you guys. Stay well.